Redmi launches its first ever monitor, Redmi Display 1A, priced at 599 yuan. Xiaomi never seems to be satisfied with launching new products. Just yesterday, the company introduced the Redmi 10X series, Redmi Book 16, and Redmi X TV series to the world. And today, it has quietly launched the first ever monitor under the Redmi brand. The Redmi Display 1A is the brand's first monitor and it looks super premium. Redmi Display 1A features a 23.8-inch Full HD IPS panel with a 16:9 aspect ratio, 1920 by 1080 resolution, and 60 Hz refresh rate. It's not a gaming monitor and you will not be using it as one because of the 6 milliseconds response time. One of the highlights of the monitor, as you can clearly see, are the minimal bezels. The company boasts that Redmi Display 1A only has 7.3mm thick bezels at the top and the edges. The bottom bezel is thick and accommodates the Redmi branding. Redmi further claims that the monitor has a 178-degree viewing angle, which is great. Also, the panel is TÜV Rheinland certified so the blue light emissions are low. You can easily use this display for daily office work. I really like how thin the monitor's profile is and the overall design as well. Redmi has baked a variety of ports, including a DC power input, an HDMI, and a VGA port, on the rear. Redmi Display 1A has been priced at 599 yuan, around Rs. 6,300 in China. There's no word on whether Xiaomi plans to bring this to India, but I am already salivating to get my hands on this. One thing that I'm skeptical about is the color accuracy, so let's wait and see if monitors are a viable part of the company's product strategy for India.